Rapid erosion at a section of the Kingston Waterfront is beginning to pose a serious threat to life and property. After noticing the environmental problem for some time now, Mayor of Kingston, Delroy Williams, is promising that work will begin this fiscal year to protect the shoreline. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
The Kingston Harbour, the 7th largest natural harbour in the world, one of the main points of entry in the island. The waterfront is slowly picking up business, but the forces of nature are threatening life and property. The shoreline is receding, and the evidence of coastal erosion is clear despite these barriers which are supposed to protect the shore.
The works to be done here is quite significant. At the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, we see it as a major step.
The roadway is also compromised. Unsuspecting motorists travel at their own peril. This is the sidewalk close to the recently built Ministry of Foreign Affairs. On Thursday, Mayor of Kingston, Delroy Williams, along with the city engineer and other stakeholders, toured the area to witness the damage and is promising help.
This is very important to us as part of the development of the waterfront area. So the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation is taking a keen interest in the program.
The Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF, is spearheading the project to protect the shoreline. According to Mayor Williams, a boardwalk which will run from the Raytown Fishing Village to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs is also part of the plan.
We have received a letter from JSIF. We have also received construction details, and we expect the work to begin in this fiscal year, and it should take probably 9 to 24 months.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.